again by Newland. And here we go, the song is happening, guys. Let's go. Let's sing along, folks, please. Kenlak ng uwate mong liw Tutaylat ng kempu tokpe Kenlak ng uwate. And that's going to be an indirect free kick for Mon. Referee considered that a back pass. And the game has come alive. Let's see again what happened here. What is happening here? I don't understand what the referee has blown here. I don't understand what the referee has blown here. I don't get it. I really don't get it. I don't. The song is absolutely beautiful. The crowd is vociferous and singing. And to be very frank with you guys, I'm joining in the vibe because football is a vibe. And if you don't like the vibe, pack your bags and go back home. As simple as that. Ball for Mon. Free kick. I still don't know what the referee blew for, but still, free kick for Mon District. To be taken by Arap. Arap! Konyak, number 15! Goal!